Students, let us do exercise 10.1, question number 1. First part is the center of a circle lies in dash of the circle. This is the circle, this is the center of the circle. This lies in the, what is the answer? Interior of the circle. The center of the circle always lies in the interior of the circle. So interior is the correct option. Second part. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius lies in dash of the circle. A point whose distance from the center. There is a point. This is a center of the circle. This is the radius of the circle. And there is one point which is greater than the radius. Then if it is greater than the radius, if it is equal to radius, it will be up to like this. It is greater than the radius means will be in the exterior of the circle. So its this exterior option is correct. A point whose distance from the center of a circle is greater than its radius, then its radius lies in the dash of the circle, exterior of the circle, right? Third part. The longest chord of a circle is the diameter of the circle. If we draw a circle and this is a chord which is passing through the center. Diameter is a chord which is passing through the center, and these are other chords. So this is the largest chord of the circle. So this is the answer is the diameter, as we have done in the basics also. The diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Now read the fourth part. An arc is a dash when its ends are the ends of a diameter. An arc is a semicircle. This is a circle. This is the diameter. Suppose AB is the diameter. Then these are the parts. Semicircle it is converted. If it is a diameter, then the two parts will be semicircle. These arcs will become semicircle, means two half circles. Now let us do the fifth part. Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and a dash of the circle. Segment we have done. What is segment? We have done the basics in the segment. Segment was, this is the center and this is the chord. Then the chord and the arc. If this is a chord, this is the segment. So what will be the answer? Segment of a circle is the region between an arc and the chord. So the answer is, fifth part answer is chord, because this is the definition of segment. So the answer will be arc and chord. Next is a circle divides the plane on which it lies in three parts. The answer is three parts, because a circle divides in plane into interior part, exterior part, and on the circle. There are three parts it is divided. So the answer is three parts. And in this way we can do question 1. Now let us do question 2, in which we have to give the true and false answer with the reasons. Line segment joining the center to any point on the circle is the radius of the circle. This is the definition of the circle. Any point, if we join to the center of the circle, then this will be the radius of the circle. Yes, it is true by the definition of radius. Next, a circle has only finite number of equal chords. There is a circle and there are so many points on the circle, and in this way we can find there are so many chords. We can write the chords like this, and this is also a chord. There are so many chords also, as there are infinite number of points, so there will be infinite number of chords. So the second part answer will become false. They are all the three I have drawn. Third part is, if a circle is divided into three equal arcs, each is a major arc. If a circle is divided into three equal arcs, like we have divided into three equal arcs, then how can each be a major arc? There should be one big one, then it will be a major arc, and the small one we will call it minor arc. But all the arcs, if they are same, then how can we call them major arc? So this will be false. Now see the fourth part. A chord of a circle which is twice as long as radius is the diameter of the circle. Yes, which is double the radius. Diameter is always the double the radius. So fourth part becomes true, and we can make the diagram in fourth part that this is the center, OA is radius and OB is also radius, and AB is the diameter and it is double the radius. So it is true, diameter is always the double the radius. Now let us do the fifth part. Sector is a region between the chord and the corresponding arc. Sector, let us draw the sector. Sector is a region between two radiuses and one arc. But here it is written that is false. Sector is not the region between chord and the arc. It is between the two radiuses and the arc. So it is false. And sixth part, a circle is a plane figure. Yes, a circle is a plane figure. It is true. So in this way we can do question number 2.